all the great spiritual traditions of humanity tell you that you have to love your neighbor as you love yourself. Jesus said that, the Buddhists say that, love all of creation, love all of life. This message has unprecedented relevance today. We need to operate under the umbrella of love. Why is that? Because the sciences are telling us that a living system cannot live, cannot survive, unless all its elements sensitively are tuned to all the other elements. Everything responds to everything else. What happens to one is felt by the others. This is the only way a living system can live. Otherwise it would fall apart, it would die. Now, human civilization has to recover this kind of sensitive tuning to one another, has to recover the love that is between its elements. You can contribute to this. You can start loving yourself truly, because if you love yourself truly, you love the person next to you. You love all of life. Ultimately, you love the whole of creation. We need a new civilization based on love. This was a message coming from the spiritual traditions. Now it is reinforced by the scientists. This is a message of love coming from a scientist. Do take it seriously. It's the precondition of reaching a new civilization.